Awakin! Mr. James, thank you once again. Masabi ko, I'll see you in November. And Mamu! Yes! Bye, Miss Norma!
Yeah. One of my favorite pieces from the collection.
Yeah, very nice.
It speaks understated elegance. It's timeless.
Super! I love it. Hello my lovelies, my Josie Peps. Welcome back to my channel. I'm now again here at Greenbelt to attend the Loewe Paula Ibiza Summer Collection. And I'm with my son Joaquin. And I think the celebrities are here already. And my fashionista peeps. So I'll see you later. Okay. So here we are. So here. Hi! Hello, Joaquin. Say hi to Anne. Look at Anne. Joaquin, go there to Anne. Say hi. And Joaquin's so happy to see her ultimate crush, the only one, Anne Curtis. And so sad I wasn't able to catch Hard Abang Elisa that day and also Lorraine Uy. But happy to see this lovely lady from the marketing department of SSI. Hi Norma! So Miss Norma Tan and my son Joaquin. Sisi Ron. Ito yung mga fashionista peers. Hi again! Mama in the house! And Mir, of course! Mr. James, thank you once again. Masabi ko, I'll see you in November. And Mamu! Yes! Bye, Miss Norma! So happy to be with my Sinson fam, Jenny King and Dr. Unit, fashionista peeps, and with these two gorgeous men of SSI. And lovely to catch up with the gorgeous Mitch Suarez and Ria Reyes. Tapos si Raynan. Nice. It fits you. Yes, I like it. Hi guys. Welcome to Loewe. I like the shoes. Ganda ng shoes. Oh, I like the shades. Nakakaloka. Isa tawa niyo bot? Yes. From Japan? Oh my God. Swak na. Ang cute. And the mini puzzle bag. And the outfit. Who are you wearing? Ron Ramiro ba yan?
Hello, this is Simon Rocha.
Simon Rocha. Okay. Is this the one, yung March 2021?
Yeah, the last one.
Ay, really? May ganun ba yun? Or you just put it?
I just put it. This is from Burberry.
Really? The flowers. And then the pants?
Zara.
Zara. Oh, this is Ron Ramiro. So how about, is this your creation?
This is mine.
I know. Okay.
back, Paseo.
Hi, this is the vintage.
Yes, this is the newer one.
Yeah, this is the new edition. And this is the vintage
one. Then I have a bag charm.
Oh my god, I'm fancy.
I have my YSL
and his own creation also. Yeah, actually Ron kasi is really a shoe designer. Tapos napunta siya sa fashion, ano na, sa mga gowns. Pero he started with shoes. Balik mo yon.
Yes, I will. Hopefully soon. Hope you're enjoying the party, guys.
Yes, okay. So I'll just check the collection. Okay. So this is the Paul Ibiza collection. I really love the clothing line of Loewe. Actually, Loewe is underrated brand, but super nice ang Loewe. Super nice. Yeah, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Loewe. Actually, Loewe is one of my favorites. You know naman me, I love mga quiet luxury. Oh my God, I like this. Ang ganda. This is the collection. I love to get one of these. Kaya lang, kinda expensive this one. 23, oh. 23,500. This one is 80,500. Pricey talaga. Kasi ito pa buckle. Pricey talaga ang clothing ng luxury brand. But, you know, it's worth it naman. And this one, the silk, let's see. $95,500. Ah, this is lovely. I like it. Waki, are you enjoying?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Okay. Favorite! Elephant! I like this! Dear, ano ba to? Paul Ibiza? How much to? Kasi gusto ko yung ano niya, yung
62,500.
parang mas mahal yung ano, yung base, yung classic. 63 yun eh. Ang ganda, no?
Ito ang color niya.
Oo nga, pink pa, no? Thank you.
Yan ang bibili nito.
Oo nga, nice.
Bird basket naman yan.
Oo nga. Ito, cute din. Siyempre. Yeah.
One of my favorite pieces from the collection.
Yeah, very nice.
It speaks understated elegance. It's timeless.
Super, I love it.
And this is something I'd wear.
Wearing now. Kagano'n me.
Transition. Cute
And then
din
this
yan. Yes.
If I were to recommend something for you guys to buy, I'd have to say this one because you'll find a lot of looks to wear with this and super suited siya.
Yeah, I
Diba?
like it.
I have this in the longer version and I've
Yun na nga.
worn it like a million times.
And even the jeans, no mirror.
The denim jeans,
The denim
jacket
jeans, yeah.
comforts with the jeans. And then this one also. Kung gusto mo yung may logo pero medyo understated, this is nice because it's tone on tone. So hindi siya masyadong halata. Yung sabi na, if you know, you know.
Yes, I totally agree. Thank you, Mir. Of course, always for you, my dear. Super nice, yes. Yun nga natin kung ano malalagay. Kasha phone.
Oh, kasha phone naman.
Ay, kasha. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute. Ay, very nice. Mahilig ka sa owl ako, elephant naman ako. Ay, this is one.
Yeah, that's also her policy.
Ang nice to. Okay, I like this. What are you wearing for today?
Loewe.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Loewe.
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 Okay.
Comme des garçons. Comme des garçons. And Margiela.
Oh, as always. Diba? Ano to? Bizu? Hindi. Bizu. Mamaya na ka kayo, sira lipstick ko. Fashionista tips in the house. Given that I love sunglasses, I'm exploring the sunglasses of Loewe. Super love this. Yeah. But I'm looking for the one who has a logo on the side, stainless one. But I love this Sunnies.
Okay.
And another fashionista is Chai Chen. Follow her in her IG and TikTok.
Yes.
Nakikita niyo yung mga binubudol ko sa kanya.
Mga budulan moments.
Yes, ako yung ano niya eh, personal shopper. Okay. Thanks for coming. Parang ako yung host eh. Ako pa host dito. Okay. So, I really love the belt of Loewe because this is only 29,000. Yeah. That's a wrap, my lovelies, my Jasipevs, and we truly enjoyed this Loewe event launching of their Paula's Ibiza summer collection. I really love the clothing line as well with the elephant bag, definitely, and truly enjoyed catching up with my lovely fashionista pips. Until next time, my love is my Chassis Pips. Thank you so much for finding time to watch this vlog, and see you in my next vlog. Mwah!